Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off auto download on Telegram. First, open Telegram. Make sure you're logged into your account, and then on the lower right part of the screen, tap the gear icon to go to your settings. On the settings page, you'll see several options that you can choose, but we need to tap data and storage. Once you're in data and storage, you'll see again different options. But where we need to go is automatic media download. Under automatic media download, tap using cellular. And from here, you'll have an option to disable auto download media using cellular. Now let me disable that. So we'll have successfully disabled it. And then we go back and then choose using Wi-Fi this time. And then from here, you'll also have an option to disable the auto download media. And then once you change your mind, of course, you can go back to those options that we disabled a while ago, like the using cellular. Here I turned it on again, and for using Wi-Fi. And that's how to turn off auto download on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.